Instructions: fill the tank with Well Clean antibacterial solution and then insert the hose inside the tank. Do not overfill the tank and only use Well Clean antibacterial solution to avoid damaging the machine. Plug power cord into a grounded electrical outlet. If the power cord is not fixed at the back of the machine, please attach it first before operating the machine. Turn the power switch to on at the back of the machine. The light indicator labeled heating will turn on once the machine is plugged into a power outlet, and then the on and off switch is turned on. Wait for the machine to warm up for about 3 to 5 minutes. The green light on the machine will turn on once the machine is ready to fumigate. To start the sanitation, press the button at the back of the machine for 30 seconds or until 15 ml of solution is consumed. If using the wireless remote, press the any button. To see the detailed required ml in every cycle, please refer to the 8th page. To effectively sanitize a vehicle, place the machine in the passenger side and turn on the car engine and the air condition or blower of the vehicle. To effectively sanitize a home or wide area, please keep the windows closed and air conditioning or fan on while sanitizing. After sanitation, turn off the machine and unplug from the power outlet. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes or until the mist has completely dissolved before opening the vehicle or windows. Note: if you experience low output, pump noise, or no output at all, unplug immediately. Check fluid level, the external fuse, remote control connection, and power from the wall. If all of the above appears to be fine, plug the unit again. If you are unable to determine the cause of the problem, do not simply continue pushing the remote button, as this may damage the unit. Contact the numbers you can find at the back of this manual or return the machine to your dealer.